Okay, this video is the Angels on how to Bronco. There's a difference from the Bronco and running up. Running up is look at that. Bronco doesn't go like that. Your base landing on base. Which will hurt a lot. You can flip. Basically, all you do is do like a wheelie. Like a quick wheelie, and shoot, bring your legs up, and you'll come like that. And it'll take a little while to get high, because sometimes the higher the wheelie and the wheelie bring in your legs. Like my wheelie is about here, I bring my legs up to about there, and I get up to there. Like, you gotta get caught coming, get used to that. If you do like running up like that, you don't get enough air. The Bronco over me. Basically, you're gonna pull up pretty hard for the wheel, and I'll do a couple. Watch. I have one. Oh, that's it. And running up, seeing as always, and that is how to Bronco.